the National Weather Service office in Slidell, Louisiana. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and your receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon every Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Mississippi: George, Hancock, Harrison, Jackson, Pearl River, and Stone. The Gulfport NOAA Weather Radio System is equipped with an additional service called SAME. SAME is short for Specific Area Message Encoder, which activates special receivers in only the county desired. Here is the forecast for the Mississippi Gulf Coast.
Why didn't this activate?
And Biloxi. Today, mostly sunny.
Weird.